के रहेंगे? नहीं, personal views, I think it's just a mood, and I think every girl wakes up to a different mood, and then when we are hungry, we want to kill the world. When we are not hungry, then we love everything. The moment we are fighting with our lover or our mother or father, the world is crashing. The moment you see a dog, तो आपको ऐसा हो जाता है कि पूरी ज़िंदगी कुत्ते में. तो I think it's one of those things.
See a man.
मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ complicated नहीं चल रहा.
ओके भूषण, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि ये आपका एसोसिएशन जो इमरान से के साथ है, विल इट आल्सो, दिस वीडियो इज लुकिंग वेरी गुड, very pleasant and very nice. So Imran's association will bring a bag full of booty also? Booty? Bag full of booty, lot of money.
Booty as in money?
Yeah.
Please specify.
Comment. Comment.
एक दूसरा visual आ गया दिमाग में अभी. A bag full of booty.
Money.
That also is welcome, but we're talking about money right now.
Comment.
Yes, we have a lot of money from his songs. The mainly was Ashik Banaya Aapne and Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Till today, we sell a lot. So it's, yes, we have. So thank you, Imran.
Thank you, Bhushan ji.
Yeah, hi. This is Faridun from Bolorangama. Amal, for you, this side. Yeah, beautiful composition.
Thank you.
You've mostly been associated with the dance numbers. I think you've done lesser number of maybe romantic songs per se.
I think I did a song called "Main Hu Hero Tera," which is the love song
which is
of the
there,
year,
but
so
mostly you've been
I think
associated with dance numbers. I think this is something which is like beautifully romantic. In terms of music arrangements, do you feel that somewhere it is quite minimalistic? You are having like minimum instruments, and that is having more
in
impact.
this song specifically I did that क्योंकि I felt कि जो lyric So I just felt कि what Rashmi Virag had written, those words were so beautiful and so simple कि एक आवाज को ही एक importance मिलनी चाहिए song में. There, underneath the voice there are guitars, there's drums, there are many things, but they've all been underplayed because I feel it's the tune and the melody and the lyrics that should come out. That's why this song is treated a little different from my other songs, the dance tracks, as you're saying.
Isha, hi, here, straight. Hi. We see you riding a bullet in the movie, so was that natural to you, or have you taken some?
No, I hadn't. I had ride a scooty once a while. So actually, Imran was really generous enough because I think he was just really scared that if I actually will be sitting on it, what's going to happen to him, because I was persistent. I'll only ride the bike and no one else will. So Imran actually just helped me into that. So he taught me how to do that.
Right. And also as an actress, when it was said that you won't be romancing Imran in this video, what was your feeling like?
I was like, चलिए पहली दो बार तो हो चुका है तो कोई बात नहीं चलेगा.
वहीं से आया हूँ मैं. अभी रात को वहाँ पे शूटिंग ले जाऊँगा. अभी ख़त्म हो जाएगा दिसंबर में और रिलीज़ मई 13 को है. अभी बहुत सारी फिल्में हैं, स्क्रिप्ट्स आ रही हैं, तो कोई जब ग्रीन लिट होता है प्रोजेक्ट, जब फ्लोर पे जाने जब शुरू होती है शूटिंग, तभी मैं बात करता हूँ उसके बारे में. इट्स ऑल वेरी प्रीमेच्योर. दैट्स विद देम अगेन. जो हम जनवरी में जाने वाले हैं, ठंड में -15 डिग्रीज में रोमानिया में शूट करने वाले हैं. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. इट्स गोना बी फन. सो स्ट्रेट स्केड्यूल इन रोमानिया. एक्चुअली कास्टिंग के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है ऑनेस्टली. आई डोंट नो हु एल्स इज इन द फिल्म, द रेस्ट ऑफ द कास्ट एंड द क्रू, क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली शूट कर रहा था अजहर के लिए फॉर द पास्ट ऑलमोस्ट 3-4 मंथ्स, और अभी दिसंबर में हम प्रेप शुरू करेंगे उसका.
Imran, there has been a lot of disappointment in the fact that you have not kissed in the video. You're saying that it would be amply compensated in the next movie. Would that be Azhar? Would there be any? No.
I think डाल ही देते हैं हम लोग.
No, on a serious note, since it's a biopic, would there be any romance? How would the
biopics people kiss? Yeah.
So we will see Azhar kiss.
So Azhar also has.
So we will see Azhar kiss on screen.
So obviously biopic actually lends itself more into that. तो ऐड कर देंगे उसमें, मींस कॉम्पेंसेट कर देंगे. अभी बाकी है, 15 दिन बाकी हैं.
You mean to say it's not there?
No, it's there.
It's
We've
there.
shot. We'll compensate even more now.
Oh.
After I had the discussion right now about the compensation, we'll compensate more.
Imran, yeah. अभी हालांकि सेंसरशिप ने इसको किसिस को बैन किया है, आप तो किसिस के लिए जाने जाते हैं, तो आपका क्या टेक है इसके ऊपर?
वेल बैन नहीं किया, एक लेंथ जो उन्होंने काटी थी जेम्स बॉन्ड में, दैट्स अगेन यू नो दे हैव देयर रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस एंड जिस तरह करते हैं, मुझे पता नहीं, we'll get to that when my film eventually goes for censorship. उस पर डिबेट ऑब्वियसली शुरू होगा, एंड उससे पहले बहुत सारी फिल्में आने वाली हैं. सो देर आर पीपल, lot of people against the fact that it's been snipped और इसका कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. I also for one feel that it's going back to the dark ages. We're not taking steps forward. हमारी society evolve हो रही है. Unabashedly we are, you know, the kind of cinema we're exposed to in these times, international films, Hollywood films, जो television पे आता है, that is progressing, and we are making sure Bollywood regresses, which is, I think it's very detrimental for our industry. So जब आपका एक censorship का एक law होता है कि ठीक है एक सर्टिफिकेट फिल्म है, आपको दे दीजिए उसको एक सर्टिफिकेट, but then don't snip out things for the sake of snipping it off. I don't understand that logic. So hopefully it will be revised in the next couple of months, and we'll get to some kind of, you know, positive reform.
Imran, here.
Hi.
Abhi, one last question, please.
Hi, Isha. Hi, Imran here. Hello. Very nice song. Isha, you're looking very beautiful in the video. Yeah, I would like to ask you, there is a song is a message. Stories and love stories don't. So in your life, there is any love story still, you know, है ऐसा कुछ जो आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे? अभी तक है?
मेरी तो शादी हो गई है, तो वही है the entire journey. So you want to share anything? Your boyfriend, any current boyfriend that you have?
Have you been deserted anytime? Imran, have you been deserted anytime?
I just said that right now. Have you seen my films?
Yeah, you said.
No, deserted as in had
I'm
my
not
heart
talking in
trampled
terms
on.
of real.
Have
I'm talking in terms of real.
Have my heart been trampled on? Is that, I don't know what you mean by that.
Have you been deserted in real? Not, I don't think so.
No, but the meaning of desert is what I'm asking. Have I been, have my heart been trampled on by a girl in a relationship where I wanted to say something and she went out with someone else?
Have you been rejected, like, you know, and you couldn't profess your love, like, you know?
I think these things happen with most of us with
How old
in
were you
college.
then? How old were you then?
You're seeming less like a journalist and more like a shrink. She's going to the
feel
deep.
about
How do
it?
you feel about it?
How do you feel about it?
I don't know, I must have been, I have no memory in the sense, I don't know what age it was. I think I must have been 15, 14. But I feel that every man should get their heart trampled on at least once in their life. It's a learning experience. No, I generally feel that. Because there's a lesson learned with that pain. A, don't take the girl for granted. And secondly, say it at the right time.
But what if it happens
and say it fast. Sorry?
Keeps happening constantly then?
Then you need counseling. then जाके मेरी फिल्म देख लेना, कुछ सीख मिल जाएगी.
ये होस्ट है या दोस्त है या क्या है ये?
You've been in that situation? Then see my films, yeah. Then you'll get some.
More like action. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for being a part of this lovely event. This is really Mike's film.
अरे ईसा मैडम को दो, वो करेगा अपना मोबाइल से सेल्फी यार. चलो चलो अभी अभी आप लीजिए ना, लोग इधर रखिए. हाँ दिख रहा है. एक मिनट सर, रुकिए. ग्रुप सर, ग्रुप पीछे रखिए. वहाँ से नहीं आ रही, वहाँ से नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है, बोल दो. हाँ.
Rahul from that side.
जी सर आपका एक सोल्यूशन. इमरान या मैम या
यहीं से एग्जिट है. थैंक यू. तुम मुझे 2 मिनट है मैं आई. मार दे कुछ भी मार दे. ये माइक देना और एक सवाल है. इंटरव्यूज सिर्फ जो लाइनअप हुए वही हो रहे हैं.